Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to view your ad activity within Instagram. So these ads are which you have recently interacted with on a normal Instagram post or Instagram stories. This is really great as it gives you a chance to retrace your steps back to an ad which you tapped on. It could be an exercise machine or an app which got you interested in it. So to begin with, let's open up your Instagram app. Now tap on the profile picture at the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on settings. Now within this menu, tap on add. Then tap on add activity. This will show you all the ads you have recently interacted with. It will show you the ads from Instagram stories and from the Instagram post. Now from here you can revisit the ad and purchase the item or service provided by the ad. And there you go, that is how to view your ad activity on your Instagram app. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.